Hello, welcome back to Study Times. My name is Sai, and as always, thanks for watching from my channel. And well, let's just get the video started. Hello. For this experiment, you will definitely need a frozen water bottle that has been there in 2.5 hours. Now I am going to bang it. Well, that was cool, right? Well, why? Did it happen? Well, that was due to something called a nucleation point. This nucleation point is something like an impurity. Like, for an example, let's just say one tiny speck of dust can be strong enough for a nucleation point. This thing is called a supercooling point. You can see it on all the clips that I'm playing here, of course. Anyway, this is actually supercooling water has to have a nucleation point in order to go and freeze. Otherwise, it can't do it. There at least has to be a disturbance in the water, something like that. So yeah, this is exactly why it happened. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Can you please share them? And we've already got some really good views.